CityPlace Canoe Landing Park. Just got on the news this morning, saw that somebody destroyed the red canoe art installation here. Unfortunately, what do they do here? Okay, so workmen are cleaning it up. Alright, gonna get a thumbnail. I was gonna get a thumbnail here, but of the damage, but they didn't take long. They didn't take long to clean it up. So it's very sad. We were just here a couple of nights ago. I ended my stream here. Shame on the doofuses that did this.
Here is a clip from March 27, 2025. I was on a live stream that night, decided to end it at Canoe Landing, and thank goodness I zoomed in and got a shot of the red canoe. So this is how it looks, and I'm really sad, and it was like a meeting point for people. Let's meet at the red canoe at Canoe Landing.
Yeah, there is a red canoe here. You can see. Shine the light up. Can't see. Yeah. I think zoom in so much to bring in light. It's an art installation of a red canoe.
Not just a meeting spot for the canoe. It was just a nice art installation, unique for Canoe Landing, CityPlace neighborhood. It's really unfortunate that there are people out there, or I don't even know if I should call them people, destroying and not appreciating sculptures and art for our city in Toronto. Here's a clip from last year, July 31st, 2024. Just finished probably a stream and was heading out. So we have a glimpse of the red canoe during the day.